Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make DIY orange peel soap and orange peel oil at home. Let's get to today's video. I already pre-washed my orange. I'm going to wipe it really well to make it dry with my towel as shown in the video, and then I'm going to grate my orange zest out as shown in the video. So I used the fine part of my grater to do that, and then I'm going to spread my zest evenly on my large white plate that I have right there. After grating your zest, you have to make sure you dry it. So for this you can use sun drying or a microwave if you have a microwave at home. If you don't have a microwave, just use sun drying. You can dry this for 2 to 3 days. I think it will be perfect. And then right now I'm holding some of my sun dried orange peels. So all I did was to just peel my orange and then I dried them on the sun, something like that. You have to make sure you dry your orange peels. You're going to peel your orange and then you're going to sun dry them. You can also use a microwave. So now let's go ahead and start making our oil. For the carrier oil that I used my leftover coconut oil from my previous video. I added 13 tablespoons of my coconut oil to my jar. You can use olive oil for that or any carrier oil of your choice. And then all I did was to add 4 to 3 tablespoons of my dry orange peels to my oil. So you have to make sure that your oil covers your orange peels. You guys don't add so many orange peels and less oil. I hope you can understand what I mean by that. All I'm going to do is to just mix it a little bit, and then I'm going to cover it well, give it a little shake as shown in the video, and then I'm going to let it sit for 24 hours. Moving on, let's start preparing our soap. So for my soap, I used Imperial bar soap. That's what I had at home. You can use any bathing soap of your choice. All I did was to use the coarse part of my grater to grate my soap as shown in the video. As you can see, that's my grated soap or my shredded soap. I'm going to set that aside. Moving on, we are going to prepare our double boiler. We are going to prepare our double boiler. I'm going to add some water on a large pot. I'm going to put my pot to a boil, and then I'm going to add my shredded bar soap to a smaller pot, something like that. And then I'm going to transfer my smaller pot inside my larger pot with the boiling water. I'm going to add some of my orange peels, and then all I'm going to do is to cover it and steam it for a few minutes as shown in the video, and as you can see, it's already steamed. Moving on, I'm going to add my 1 cup of water bit by bit to make something like a soap paste. I'm sorry about that. We're going to make a soap paste out of our bar soap. So all we're going to do is to just add some water. You can use 1 cup or a half cup of your water, depending on how you want your soap paste to turn out, something like that. And you have to stir continuously to make sure there are no lumps on your paste. And as you can see, our paste is looking good. So for the the orange peels that are on it makes it look like it's lumpy. So we're going to just strain our paste to make sure we get rid of the orange peels as shown in the video. So for this it was hard since I had a small strainer or a small sieve, something like that, but I did a pretty good job, and as you can see we got rid of the orange peels. So right now all I'm going to do is I'm going to add our dry orange zest right now as shown in the video, and then I'm going to use my spoon to mix well to make sure my orange zest is really mixed with my orange paste. And then right now I'm holding a dish soap, and I also have some of my transparent containers that I had at home. So you can use the containers you have at home and a soap dish to make your soap, to give your soap a shape, something like that. I hope you can understand what I mean by that. I'm just going to add my paste, to my containers, and then you can leave them to set for 12 hours, or you can freeze your soap if you have a fridge at home. If you don't have a fridge at home, just let them set. So the next day, as you can see, I'm just going to be straining my oil, and as you can see how oil turned out looking really good, you guys. And the fact that I made this at home, I just feel good about it. So I'm going to set my oil aside, and then I'm moving on. I'm going to reveal our soap. So for my soap, I freezed my soap. I'm just going to remove my soap to show you how my soap looks, and as you can see they turned out looking really good, you guys. So for me, I love the one in the triangle container. It turned out looking good, and also the one in the soap dish turned out looking really good. So as you can see, I just added some peels on top, but for the peels you are just going to remove them when you are bathing. So right now I'm just going to show you how I use them at home. I show in the video. Leave it to watch me, and I'll be right back. So for the oil, you are going to mix your oil with your body lotion or glycerin if you have that at home, but you can't apply this oil only on your body, and to blend evenly you are going to have to apply this oil everywhere on your body, everywhere. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can share my video, you can give it a thumbs up, you can like it, something like that. And I love to know what you think about the video in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Bye.